How to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click. So if you want to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now you need to scroll down and go with activity log and go with your Facebook activity and just go with the drop down, which is on the right side. Scroll down and go with manage post. Now under manage post, you just need simply go with the filters, which is on the upper left. Go with categories, and here you need to go with your photos, post and videos. And here you will have all of your shared photos, posts and videos. You just need to simply select one of them and you need to delete, or you can just go and delete all of the shared posts at once. So that's how you can delete all of your shared posts on your Facebook in one click. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.